Hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you? How are the Joes?
Great.
How are the Joes? So would you like to listen a story?
Sure.
You want a story from my side?
Of course.
So in my prepared speech, I here come to a story. The story name is Who Moved My Cheese? I think this is a book you maybe heard or read about. In this book, it's a short kind of a story. There was two rat. One's name is Snick and another name is Scurry. And two short men, Hem and Ha. So the story is about all four. So what exactly the story is about? The story is about both the rat, Snick and Scurry, and Hem and Ha. The four they are stuck in a bhool bhulaiya kind of
Maze.
bhool bhulaiya kind of can say in station where all these things are bhool bhulaiya, all these things is mass, and there are dark inside. So what happened? Both the rat, Snick and Scurry, they started to move. Exactly, they all four started to move in search of food. And after searching the food, after searching here and there, after 4 or 5 hours, they saw station C. And they reached their station C and they saw a big cheese over there. A bundle of big piece of cheese over there. So what happened? The main short men, Hem and Ha, they both buckle out their shoe and put their socks in the shoe, and they aram se they are started to enjoy the cheese and all. But when it comes to both the rat, Scurry and Sniff, they also open their shoe, but they didn't put their shoe in the rest mode. They tie their ribbon and they hang on their here on their shoulder, on their neck, and they also started to enjoy the cheese and all. After the day and day passing, and after a few days, what they see, the Snick and Scurry, both the rat, they are enjoying the cheese, and after that they just again wear their shoe and they just search all around the cheese and other stations also, like station A, B, C and all, D, E and F. So, and at the same point of moment, the both short men, Hem and Ha, they only enjoy the cheese, and exactly they get into the comfortable zone. They put themselves in the comfortable zone, and then after, they are not bothered about anything. They are very sure about their future. We have a big cheese. After 5 hours or 7 hours after searching in the bhool bhulaiya, we got this cheese, and they are very sure about their present and future as well. After some days, the Snick is Scurry, both the rat, they observe the cheese is slow, they are getting less. The pieces of cheese is getting shorter day by day. But at the same point of moment, Hem and Ha, they are not worried about that. One fine day, when they visit their cheese station, Hem and Ha, they saw there were no cheese. So what happened? Exactly, they thought that कि उनके पैरों के नीचे जमीन फिसल गई. Where is our food? क्योंकि उनका तो वो डेली का शेड्यूल बन गया था कि वो डेली उसको एंजॉय करते थे, पढ़े रहते थे, खाते थे. एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ मोमेंट both the rat, and Scurry, they didn't stop their journey of finding a cheese, and some another station N, they got a big cheese there and they enjoyed the cheese there on station N, both the rat. But when it comes to Hem and Ha, Hem thought that, oh my god, that's a blunder. What happened? Where is the cheese? What happened? अब क्या होगा? अब मैं क्या करूँगा? What will do? उनको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. Who moved my cheese? that he thought that at the same point of moment, Ha also get in some dilemma, but Ha thought that, Ha said to him, don't bury him. There is a earlier also we searched in Bhul Bhulaiya and we got a cheese there after putting some effort. Again we searched and we definitely will got. But when it comes to him, he was in the can say in the frustrated zone, or in the, can say he was like out of the mind. He said that no, how could it possible? Who moved my cheese? And every time he said that like this. Ha said, don't worry boy, just buckle, he just again buckle his shoes and try to go out and try to convince him, let us come out. But Ham said, there is a dark outside, there is a dark outside in Bhul Bhulaiya, how we go, and we didn't have a food also, how we manage, I don't want to go out and all. At the same point of moment, Ha, after passing few days, Ha thought that, oh my God, what I am doing? I cannot sit idle like away. So he started to walk out. First he been on his thought, and then he took the decision to come out. Then Ha came out after lot of convince to his friend. Ham said, no, I don't want to go. If you want to go, you go. Ha go out of that station C and come out in the Bhul Bhulaiya. He saw that dark outside. He thought that how could it possible to find a food? Even then I didn't have a friend also. My friend is sitting inside that time. Again, when we started, so we both are there together. And now alone I am, and there is a dark outside, and I didn't have a food also. How can I survive? But he didn't start to. He took to go ahead instead of sit, or instead of remain in station C. At the same point of moment, on station N, Skin and Scary, they both are enjoying different blah blah kind of cheese over there. Enjoyed a lot. So when it comes to Ha said that जब भी वो आगे बढ़ता गया, उसको नए नए एक्सपीरियंस होते गए. एक्सपीरियंस इट मीन्स कि उसको लगा, जब स्टेशन सी से वो आगे बढ़ा, जब स्टेशन ई एफ पे पहुंचा, वो जी पे पहुंचा, तो उससे कुछ वहाँ पर कुछ छोटे छोटे चीज़ के पीसेस मिले उसको. सो ही थॉट दैट कि इफ़ द चीज़ आउटसाइड ऑफ द स्टेशन जी और स्टेशन एफ, so definitely there would be a big chance of a big cheese in the inside of the station. And he just entered the station, and what is he? Oh my God, he didn't find any cheese over there on station G, but he found small pieces of cheese. He collected all the cheese, and he just eated some cheese also, and thirst his hunger. And then he also again he go ahead. And he wrote on the ball, even though I didn't find a cheese, but I find a small pieces of cheese. That next day or in my ahead journey, I will find a big cheese. So he again come out in the Bhul Bhulaiya and again started to go. What happened at the end? After lots of up and downs and lots of, can say, he come out his comfortable zones. Finally, he also reached the station N, where the Snake and Scary, they both enjoyed already the cheese, and oh my God, what he saw a big bundle of cheese. He didn't see in his life that kind of different blah blah kind of cheese, and he said that that's my search is end of here. And he also started to eat some cheese, enjoyed a lot, and he wrote on the bowl. He thought that he just say hi skin scenery also, but this time he didn't put out his shoe and put in the rest mode. He again he bear his shoes, enjoy all the cheese, and again he started his journey for the further finding the cheese. And he thought that, oh my god, if I were with my friend, how the him condition, he thought, वो अपने दोस्त के बारे में सोच रहा था, how he was, how he survived, क्या वो बाहर निकला होगा, भूल भुलैया में आया होगा स्टेशन सी को छोड़कर, हेम भगवान करे वो आ जाए। और कहीं ना कहीं उसके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ये भी था कि वो उसको काफ़ी कन्विंस किया था उसने, बट हेम जो था वो अभी भी वहीं पर बैठा हुआ अपने आप के ऊपर और अपनी डेस्टिनी के ऊपर और किस हु मूव ना चीज़ इसके ऊपर पछता रहा था। और हाँ जो है, और हैनरी और स्कैरी बोथ ऑल थ्री आर एंजॉइंग द चीज़। एट द एंड ऑफ द बुक द राइटर सेड कि हाँ, जब अपनी नई जर्नी में था या फिर वो जो पूरी जर्नी के दौरान उसने काफ़ी बीच बीच में कोड लिखे हुए थे जिसको पढ़कर हेम अपने कंफर्टेबल जोन से बाहर आकर और उस दिशा में जहाँ पे स्टेशन एन पे पहुँच सकता था। और बाद में उसको किसी की आवाज़ भी यही चिल्लाने की कि कोई उसको पुकार रहा है, तो ही थॉट दैट मे बी ही वुड बी हेम और नॉट। बट द स्टोरी हियर इज एंड व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्टली why the writer wrote this book, Who Moved My Cheese. Exactly, this is the journey of any kind of can say professional business job and all. Many times in life we just हम लोग ऐसा हैम और हाँ और स्कैरी ने जो किया कि उन्होंने अपने शूज़ को कभी भी रेस्ट मोड में ही रखा, उनको कुछ चीज़ें मिल गई, देन आफ्टर दे नो कि दिस इज़ नॉट अ परमानेंट, इट इज़ अ टेम्पररी, और वो दे आर अगेन सर्च इन अ नेक्स्ट स्टेशन ऑफ चीज़। और एट द सेम टाइम हेनरी एंड हा, हेम एंड हा, they both are came in the comfortable zone, enjoy the same चीज़ again and again, और इस टाइप से। तो कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि जो हैम की तरह होते हैं, कुछ लोग हाँ की तरह होते हैं, कुछ लोग हेनरी और स्करी की तरह होते हैं। जो लोग हैम की तरह होते हैं वो ज़िंदगी भर ये सोच के निकाल देते हैं कि भाई क्या होगा, ईश्वर ने मुझसे क्या मेरी गलती थी, मुझसे क्यों छीना गया ये चीज़ एंड ऑल। आज टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग आई जस्ट रीड आउट अ स्टोरी ऑफ ऑन लिंक्डइन, द नेम ऑफ द लेडी इज आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्टली नेम, द सरनेम इज काला। शी इज अ CEO of Rubens Jewelry. I think you may be heard about Rubens Jewelry. तो उसके बारे में पढ़ रहा था, तो उसकी पास्ट जर्नी तो मैं जानता था कि उसको उसके फादर मदर ने 15 साल की एज में उसको घर से बाहर भगा दिया था, क्योंकि उसने कुछ करने का ठाना था। 15 साल की एज में उसको घर से बाहर भगा दिया था। उसने आई थिंक बॉम्बे में या जहाँ कहीं भी उसने मेट्रो सिटी में सर्वाइव किया था, कुछ खिलौने बेच के या फिर स्टेशन पे जो भी वॉट एवर इट इज़। तो उसकी स्टोरी में पढ़ रहा था, तो सी सेड दैट कि आई स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विद माई हस्बैंड इन 2014, और इन 2000 आफ्टर 5 years स्टार्टिंग बिजनेस 2019 इट वाज अ, मतलब पूरा बिजनेस जो है वो इट वाज अ हीप ऑफ फायर, मतलब पूरा ऑल द बिजनेस इज डिवास्टेड इन द फायर। उसके 5000 स्क्वायर फीट के पूरे स्टोरेज में आग लग गई थी। और जब उसने वो बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था तो उसके 5 साल पहले थे वो उसके लिए पैसा इकट्ठा कर रही थी। तो 2009 से पैसा इकट्ठा कर रही थी, 14 में स्टार्ट किया, 19 में आग लगी, और she was on the same position when she was in 2009 on the zero. Again she started in 19 and today she is a millionaire. Her revenue is company revenue, Rubens Jewelry, her revenue is 100 crores more than that. So at the same point of moment when it comes to Henry and Ha, तो they both also कि जो इसमें हमें, आप पहले तो इस स्टोरी से ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि आप किसकी तरह हैं, हेनरी की तरह हैं, हेनरी एंड स्करी की तरह हैं, या हेम की तरह हैं अपनी लाइफ में, या फिर हाँ की तरह हैं। व्हेन इट कम्स टू माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आई थॉट अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई कनेक्टेड विद द रोल ऑफ हाँ लिटिल बिट, कि पहले कहीं ना कहीं लाइफ में कंफर्टेबल जोन आता है जिससे कि आप, और फिर सिचुएशन आके हमें दे ट्राई टू पिंच इट अप कि भाई नहीं, कुछ लोग उससे बाहर निकल जाते हैं, कुछ लोग स्टिल हेम की तरह बैठे और सोचते रहते हैं। कि ओ माई गॉड व्हाट वाज माई। राहुल सर ने आपको स्टोरी शेयर भी की हुई है वो, जो मैं आपको बता रहा था इन योर लिंक्डइन इफ यू, द रूबिन्स ज्वेलरी स्टोरी। तो कुछ लोग होते हैं दे आर वेरी प्रोएक्टिव लाइक हेनरी एंड स्करी, दे आर ऑलवेज इन वेरी प्रोएक्टिव मैनर ट्राइंग टू बी इन सर्चिंग मोड, गो ऑन, ऑलवेज कीप ऑन वॉकिंग। वो कभी भी किसी भी एक यथास्थिति को या वस्तुस्थिति को परमानेंट नहीं मानते, बिकॉज इन दिस कलयुगा देयर इज कैन से जो युग है ये, मतलब कि कहना चाहिए कि हमारा समय, काल और परिस्थिति है ना, इन तीनों चीज़ों से हम बंधे हुए हैं, और दैट टाइम, सिचुएशन एंड समय। सो हेनरी स्करी को पता था कि भाई ये चीज़ ज़्यादा नहीं चलने वाला, ये अप टू सेपरेट पॉइंट ऑफ मूवमेंट तक चलेगा, उसके बाद हमें कहीं और जाना पड़ेगा। सो दे स्टार्टेड बिफोर, कैन से दे आर द फर्स्ट मूवर एंड फास्ट मूवर, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू he's not started before, he's not a first mover, he started late whether, can say for ham it's a better too late than never, for क्योंकि उसने स्टार्ट लेट किया लेकिन वो लेट पहुंचा, लेकिन पहुंचा। पर when it comes to उसने तो स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया, सो कहीं पहुंचने का सवाल ही नहीं। सो द स्टोरी इज ऑल अबाउट दिस। काफ़ी अच्छी बुक है, आप पढ़िएगा, हु मूव माई चीज़। I don't know the author exactly, I will share with you on the group. So thank you, back to Omay Musi. Thank you.
That's very interesting story. Thank you.
This is my, this is stuck. Thank you.
Once again, please clap for Mr. May. Thank you for a wonderful story, and I request